story that is going on within the county, that I have an ambition for politics. Today, take it to the bank. I am vying for the senatorial position come 2027. Of course, I don't rule out that I'm a government officer and I have to honor the ethics and respect it itself. However, ambitions cannot just lie like that. I have developed interest in order to serve the people of Wajir. One reason why I have decided to join politics is to fill the few gaps that I have noted. I have been an educator. I see the youth have some challenge. I saw the vulnerable members of the society have somehow been neglected. I still believe a good number of development, a good number of our people have not been addressed, in particular in the area of education, employment, and also upcoming leadership preparation for our children. Dear Wajirian, I am born in Wajir, brought up, and I have had a number of years. I served as a principal, an ordinary teacher, and brought up a number of leaders, known leaders. I don't need to mention them. They know themselves. In every area I work, I don't brag. It is you to know that I have performed. And I believe in the senatorial position I can serve the people as an oversight leader. I have decided to stand or contest for the senatorial bid, and I rely more on everybody, right from Bute, Sarif, Baswain, and also Waraf Harar and the nearby Tarbaj areas, and Kutulo. One thing known for me is I'm a development conscious, very transparent, transformative leader to the best of my ability. And I know the current system in Wajir has done a lot. It has laid the foundation. It has taken Wajir to a certain level. But I feel there are still some few gaps which I believe I can address. The passion I have for Wajir is the driving force. The passion I have for Wajir is the driving force to my new career. Furthermore, all is gold, and I believe at this age I can reform the Wajir county to better in development and in bringing up one united Wajir community. My second agenda of this afternoon, which I want to share with you, is I am contesting on UDA ticket. And I have passion for that party. And I have a reason. The leader of that party, our head of state, has a passion for us. And we must reciprocate. What happened in Wajir during the Madaraka Day is a historical moment which every sensible person must appreciate. So this afternoon I am the first person from Wajir who wish to send a sincere appreciation to our head of state, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto. He has shown a lot of passion to Wajir people under northern Kenya. Nevertheless, a lot of infrastructural development has taken place since he took over power. And narrate one or two areas of excellent performance is his ambition to improve the economic position of this county. You understand the road from Mandera to Cielo is already on the track. The head of state has done a number of development projects, and therefore we must appreciate and make the two-term bid a reality. We must make a two-term bid a reality. And I always say, me, I've already sacrificed my card, my vote, and my followers, which are very many, right from Sarif, Bute, Mandera, and Bute, even the whole nation. I believe all my supporters were on a track to make our leader, His Excellency the head of the state, Ruto, who has shown us love for the northern Kenya, to bring him on board again. Mzee ataendelea na kazi. Na sisi kama walimu tumechukua ahadi. Tukua State House as educationists. We have been addressed. I'm the chairman of the Kenya National Kesha National Schools, Northern Frontier District. And I appeal to all my friends, my colleagues, not to lose the track to defend this government and bring His Excellency the head of the state back for the second term. Above all, Wajir people, don't gamble with your right. Your right to be led by transforming leader. Your right to be addressed in the parliament, or to be, to be represented in the parliament is very important. Therefore, don't gamble around by using unnecessary parameters like tribal arithmetic. Choose a leader who can serve you, unify you, empower you, bring resources, control your resource. If we are getting close to 13 billion shillings every year, this is too much money, which of course needs to be utilized at the county level. We normally feel that this has to be addressed. Why still we have mothers who cannot even get their daily bread when they can work in the street and be given some token or some salary to ensure they get their daily bread. The youth, too much idleness. I am a friend to the youth because I'm an educator. If you want a leadership and good representation, AK is the solution. Please take that to the bank. My brothers in the Wajir South, my elders brothers in Wajir North, my brothers in Gorof and Wajir West, North, and all, and Bute, and also elders. I appeal as your son to make sure when 2027 comes, AK smiles before you and say shuluk to all your votes shall be taken. Shuluk to where? To AK Farah.